Okay, today we are going to activate an Android 6.0 phone on Freedompop using the global SIM card. I have installed the global SIM card, and when you go to settings you'll see I have this one in slot 2. On other phones I've done, I have 2 SIM cards, one in each slot, using one at a time. So you want to make sure the SIM card is turned on right there in the settings. Then we're going to go to the data usage. We're going to go over to the 3K UK. We're going to turn mobile data on. We're going to hit OK. Mobile data is going to click on in a minute. Okay, you can see their mobile data clicked on, and the little antenna went through a little cycle there, and now it's receiving again. Okay, now we are going to go to More, Mobile Networks. We're going to turn data roaming on. Access point names. 3K or 3UK. For Freedompop we need to create one, and it's called Freedompop .fog with 2 G's mobile.com. Click OK, and we're going to name it. We're going to name it Freedompop. Okay, now we're going to choose it. We backed out of there, and now we're going to choose that one. So on preferred network type, I have found just leaving it on 4G works best. The Freedompop Global SIM card works on 3G HSPA. I'm telling you that it works faster than, this is GSM, it works faster than my LG G2 working on Sprint's LTE network. Things just work faster on the data side. Okay, now we're going to choose network operators. This takes a minute. I will pause the video while this loads. Okay, we are back. This is what you see. This is what I see. I have tried this first Freedompop 3G, and I don't believe it works as well. Freedompop 3G, the second one down here, always works best for me. I choose that, registering on the network. Registered on the network, and you're done. Thank you for watching.